Most travelers forget at least 3 of these essentials, and regret it the moment they land. Different countries use different plugs. One adapter covers them all. Compress your clothes and find things in seconds. Airports drain your battery. Always pack a 20,000 mAh power bank. Long flights destroy your neck. This fixes that. Headaches, upset stomach. Be ready for anything. Keep a photo of your passport on your phone too. Airport water costs $5. Bring an empty bottle.
Sleep on flights. Block out noise anywhere. Most people forget this until they're already burned. Your phone dies. Paper never does. If this helped you, subscribe. We post travel tips every week.